Oh, time to get her off the tank and onto the stand. It's all welded and drilled at the moment. I made that over the last couple of nights from bits of old engine sand and scrap tubing offcut. Worked just fine. There we go. They are looking good. I might tend the eye bolts off to be electro polished or chrome plated actually. They look really nice with chrome plated bolts and yeah, lifting eye bolts. All of the end cover bolts, hole mounting bolts, polish the heads in chrome or something like that, come up quite nice. Have white paint on the inside, black iron poles and green windings. Look beautiful. My neighbour reckons, according to the telephone number on this data plate, this is actually dated in the early 1920s, if not teens. So it's almost 100 years old. That's pretty damn good. It is now end housing time. This is the front housing. Can't get the bronze bearing out, so it can stay where it is. Electrolysis won't hurt it, I just wanted to clean the inside of that housing. I'll do that after the process is complete. Already taken the oil cup out and retaining bolt and oil hatch or sump hatch. Alright, with these inline amp meters, it doesn't matter if you're running alternating current or direct current. It all works. 40 something, 41 amps. A couple of amps going to the tank. But if I actually connect this lead permanently, it will protect the tank from rust. So I should really have a lead permanently going to the tank, as well as the anode. Try not to blow the amp meter up. Yeah, it's still alright. But that's a direct short. It is a welding transformer, so it makes a good amount of spark. Sounds like an EDM. There we go. Time for some serious amperage. Blower's working. Ooh, about 42 amps. 41, 42. Not bad. That's running 20 volts DC. Being a MIG welder, it's lower voltage than a regular AC stick welder. It's about 50 volts. So 20 volts DC, 40 something amps. Yeah, immediate results. Immediate. I'm pretty sure with this thing I can go as high as about 30 volts. What is it? 30 amps, 15 volts, 120 amps, 19 volts. So yeah, 19 volts is the highest voltage we can get. Although it's saying alternating is 32 volts. Yeah, MIG welders are funny. I'll try a lower voltage setting anyway. Yeah, it's about 30 amps. It's 42. Higher amperage is more important than really voltage. Voltage gets things done, but it doesn't really matter as long as you got amperage. You can be running 10 volts DC, as long as you got 100 or so amps, it'll just rip the rust off anything. Try mode 2. Oh, that's high. That's really maxed out the amp meter. Mode 2. So that's the voltage differential, either 15 or 20 volts. Yeah, I'd say that's working pretty well. Running on minimum with high voltage. I'm using, no, actually it's low voltage. I'm 15 volts, 45 amps or something like that. Of course, conductivity through the liquid's a bit lower, so about 38 amps. Almost at the peak of what this machine's designed for. A bit of heat coming off it, but the amount of airflow I'm pumping over it will keep that under control. So I think I'll turn the main extractor fan on and let this one run overnight. Well, that's definitely been pumping some amps through. It's about 5 or 6 hours it's been in there. Temperature's come up a little bit. That's still good. 30 amps. Good. First fire of the season. Always nice. Just got to make a new blower assembly because the old one fell apart. Too many days out in the weather and rain. Still worked though. Bit of oil. An old oil filter in there to get it going.